Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Davidson, the Sexual Integrity Coach located in Wilton Manors, Florida. I want to tell you about Man to Man, a couple enrichment course designed specifically for gay male couples. Whether you are new to your relationship or want to renew your long-term relationship, this 2-day intensive course has something to offer, so get ready to scan the QR code now. You and your partner will learn effective communication strategies to help you quickly resolve conflict and navigate even the big challenges that couples face in relationships. You will learn to negotiate sexual fulfillment and discover a new level of emotional intimacy. You'll get the tools necessary for maintaining a healthy and lasting relationship by discovering simple steps you can take each day to minimize conflict and remain the object of each other's desire. This workshop is designed to fit the needs of male couples at every stage of the relationship. Most relationship workshops are designed for straight couples and modified so gay couples can attend. But Man to Man is tailored exclusively for gay men. Please join me in beautiful South Florida for a weekend that you and your partner will not soon forget. To learn more about this couple enrichment course tailored specifically for gay male couples, please check out my website at sexualintegritycoach.com and click on Man to Man. I look forward to seeing you there.